Good morning, good afternoon. So today I'm going to show you how to log into your new account, ActiveLearn. So first you're going to open your internet browser. It can be Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla, Firefox, or any other that you might have. So we click in our browser. It will open up your browser. We are going to write down here this website. It's going to be activelearnprimary.co.uk, and we press enter. Then we're going to click here where it says login. Alright, now here our username. I'm going to use a sample username and a sample account right now. So this one for me is going to be DaVinci sample. For you it's going to be the one that you use for your English homework mainly. There might be some differences. And here in school code, you're going to write SILI. Okay, remember the username will be similar or the same as your current account for doing homework. And the school code will be SILI. Then we press sign in. Okay, now here we have ActiveLearn. Here you're going to find many things, but now we're going to focus where it says My Stuff. As you can see, you have assignments here, you have notifications, so we're going to click here. Here we see that we have two assignments, two books to read. So we're going to open one. Name of this book is Cat is Sleeping.
Cat is Sleeping. Written by D. White.
So here I can click read to me and it will be read to me.
I am sleeping. Cat is sleeping.
So if I click here, I can see
What color are the drums?
I can see a short
Drag the correct word to the picture.
I can see a short activity about the page that I just read. In this case, I'm going to choose red, even if the drums are not red.
Oops, try again.
So it lets me try one more time. Now we're going to put the correct answer.
Well done! Let's go back to the book.
Now I go back to book and I can see that the activity is done. Alright, let's go back.
What is Cat doing? Drag each word to...
So let's answer this correctly. And...
Fantastic! Let's go back to the book.
Alright, we go back to the book and we have one last activity here.
I am sleeping. Cat is sleeping too.
What do you like doing? Select one picture.
So here you can select one picture of what you like the most. I am a musician, so I'm going to choose playing the drums. So I click and done.
Thanks. Let's go back to the book.
Now I close the book. I can choose keep reading or close book. And I get reward. I get coins as rewards for finishing my assignments. I can choose if I like the book or I didn't like it. I really like the book, so I'm going to click here in the happy face. Now I have another assignment. But first, let's check out what rewards I can get. So here I have like a fair. I'm going to check the sticker box. Yes, let's check it. I can see I can play games and more things, but I need 20 coins. Right now I have 8 coins. So to have more coins, I need to finish assignments. Here will be my assignments once my teacher gives me assignments. Let's check. Let's press here, home, and check other things. I can go to many places. And let's check my library. Here in my library will be the books that I have read. See, I just read My Cat is Sleeping. So that's the only book that I have here right now, but I can read many books. The list is very big. So I'll go back to my home. I hope that you liked this video very much and that it was very easy to understand, and I'll see you later.